And holy shit, fucking wind, man. It's just ripping through fucking Connecticut right now. I'm surprised there's no trees down by here, man. Just earlier, not even 10 minutes ago, the fucking wind just blew this motherfucking door open. Like, what the fuck? Man, this shit's crazy. You guys hear that fucking wind? Whoa. Hopefully I caught that on camera. I just saw lightning, man. Tons of it. Holy fucking shit. This is nuts. It's gonna rain again. It's just bands after bands. There's like for a while there's no rain. There needs to be a little rain. And shit. Holy fuck. Well, don't worry, I'll be posting more of these videos. I'll see you next time. My phone's a piece of shit. That's why I didn't allow me to record much. But anyways, fuck it. Subscribe, press that like button. Subscribe. Holy shit.